Greetings, this is Rakdos, and we're going to be playing some more Monster Train. I've managed to push all the way up to Covenant 23. I was so sure it was right, but time and again I'm getting burned by it. Like, I wish I knew if I had spikes right now. We'll gamble on it. The pain is real. Well, I think this kills one. Not even. Okay. We definitely get regenerate on you twice so that you will tick at least one regenerate on the next round. Let's see if we can get through this fight without taking damage. Okay. Heal. Heal. Dealing damage. Now the problem with applying burnout to her now is that no, there is no problem. She deals no damage. She deals no damage. Her entire kit. That's why she needs to be in the front. Okay, I've learned. I have learned. Rough start. Give me some good cards here. Nothing to apply spikes. Nothing to apply spikes. Cool. I don't really need another Glimmer. I'd rather just make these ones better. Then again, it would increase the chances of me drawing Glimmer. Can I just Glimmer carry? If I just have all Glimmers and just... It's rough. So rough. What am I supposed to do with these? Can you give me endless? 5 spikes on one of my units that I don't care about. That does not have life. What is wrong with this world? I'm gonna have to buff up one of you people's. I'm just gonna. Is this what our life has come down to? Is this what? Don't try this at home. That's all we got. Only a little bit. We only took a little bit of fire damage. Still taking too much. Okay, we do not take a 3rd Glimmer. Or a 4th Glimmer. We just don't. We just don't. Thanks. What am I supposed to do with these units? I don't even like the Pyro in there. Alright, so this is going to go on a restore, I think. Could be a Glimmer. Just have one super Glimmer. Gets out of our deck. Glimmers are great in the beginning, but if you think about it, they're much worse later. You know, when the boss gets to the top and I'm just like glimmering twice, it's 4 damage, you know. Hey look, final wave. Oh, I can use the burnout thing. Okay, not bad, not bad. Not bad. Cool. That actually did something. A synergy was found somewhere on this planet. Ooh, molded. But then, how can I? She just died. should have played the... I better not die because of this. Oh no, I could have had it. I could have had it. I mean, I still won, but took 18 more damage than I needed to. That's sad. Quick or endless? Quick would be really good on the And Missed a Will. And on no one else. Okay. Apply 5 burnout. Will the boss get through you in 5 turns? Probably not. Let's see. 13 times 5 is definitely more than your life, actually. Yeah, boss would shoot through you pretty quickly. Definitely not more than yours. Yeah, we want more like little separate instances of healing here. You don't go anywhere, right? Yeah, no. Boss is taking damage. Just a little bit more. Alright, you hit hard. I see you. Wow. Take it. Somehow I need to upgrade And Missed a Will's damage even more. We did take damage that time, guys. Yay. These. Put the Lady of the Reform down. Put the Drag down. And we try to eat through her stealth. Is there anything else we can do? She's not going to die to burnout, she's going to die to damage. No. Okay. So, Engraft here because it'll trigger a good effect. We're going to... Makes a whole lot more sense to trigger these effects here to heal her up the most, yeah. Actually, her having a lot of life... No, you know what? It is good. It is good. Take back what I said. It's pretty good. A lot of burnout's gonna tick down through this, so I need to make sure that she is still alive. You still will be, I'm sure. Where are you at? You have regen? You don't. How many turns of burnout did that run down? Oh, I guess burnout doesn't tick down on other floors. It's good to know. Oh, by the way, boss is dead. A little drag. You will eat 1 damage. You'll eat a 10, right? So you have 33. Either way. It's the same damage either way. Not bad. A little chunk. A little starter chunk. Can't let you go to the top, or he'll definitely hurt me. Spike's Train Sewer did nothing for me. should not have upgraded that Drain Steward like that. Thought it was the only way that I could possibly progress. I was wrong. There we go. Okay. Now we just stack regen on you as much as we can. Okay. And Purifying Cleanse you. Alright. This is free. This is free. This is free. This is free. I lose. Just was not strong enough. Give me that combo again. I'll make it happen. Awoken Hellhorn. Back to the beginning. Cleanse of effects. Okay, can't cleanse armor, so that's good. Try to do some stacking stuff. Do some sting stuff. First time a unit is healed, draw one card. You know what? Since the Sentient is our champion here, I will do that. Armor and healing don't combo super well together, but we'll try that. And I think we'll go spikes. Because it won't matter if they hit the armor or the life. Spikes. Awesome. Now just a couple more armor cards. A little bit more regen. More regen over here. I think that's a little bit better. Do you die? Haha, you do die. Amazing. No damage on the first fight. Off to a good start. Show me some power. I think Restoration Detonation is an auto pick. He deals 8 right away, kills him. Okay. Yeah, see, not enough life. Not enough life. Whoa. I die. Die again. It wasn't even the spikes challenge. It wasn't anything like that. Just didn't have enough like sustain for the build I was going for. It is not my fault that I lost that one. Alright. Oh my goodness, why? What am I supposed to do with this? It's gotta be the vapor funnel. And for this one, I think it's gotta be floor size. Sure, I've got Immortal Trade. No damage. Alright. Nope. I don't even know what I could possibly need. Some kind of energy generator. Some kind of discard mechanic wouldn't be bad either. Yeah, what am I even supposed to do with this? Gotta be Titan's Gratitude. I got like everything that I didn't want. Okay. It's not bad on a Frozen Lance, just to get it out of my deck. Do a reroll. Hold over. Holdover on Immortal Trade has won me a couple games, but I don't think this deck's really trying to do that. Holdover on this might be interesting, because it gains me energy. So as long as I can guarantee this gets me kills, I can do more things on that turn. Is it worth it to keep playing? Let's see. No damage on the second fight. Still don't have a good unit, really. An Umbra unit would be good. I don't know what spells I would upgrade. It's gotta be over here. Volatile Gauge? Doesn't that just make my deck bonkers? Doesn't that just, like, make my deck insane? Okay. Have fun. Alright, let's see if our shenanigans can actually beat the final boss. Now we're gonna need a good draw. We are going to need a good draw. Kind of makes me want to put Ember Cache in there. Alright. Yeah, another Mollusk Mage. Absolutely another Mollusk Mage. "28 cards in our deck." We've just proved that we can definitely draw bad, so what would we remove? Shade Splitter and a Frozen Lance. Get to upgrade spells. Harness the Titan. Maybe take the Consume off Packed Morsels. Not much. Crucible Collector is the only creature that we could upgrade though, going this way. Well, I mean, we could upgrade the Mollusk Mages, but let's be real. We're not going to. We don't have a lot of money either, so... Yeah, get that out, get this out. Merchant of Magic. First, let's see if there's anything we can even buy here. Nope. Nope. Remove Consume. Kinda wanted that on the Packed Morsels, but I kinda want that on this now. 3 Excavated Embers, and I mean those will just let me churn through, and they'll help me on the turns where I've already committed a bunch to my Immortal Offerings. Packed Morsels is really good for getting my frontliner actually like ready to win the fight. It's gotta be this. Nope. I want this to be as cheap as possible. Yeah. That's literally it. Covenant 23. Get destroyed. Excavated. Gotta do this to guarantee it, huh? Yeah. Uh-huh. You just have so much life. Taken so little. I think I just screwed up. Please don't tell me I screwed up now, because this is not the time. Oh, he's dead? Oh, he's dead? Oh, he's dead? Oh, he's dead. Ah, feels so good. I actually killed him. I was gonna stream until I did it. Look how long this is taking. Just had so much lifesteal.